And while we're doing this, I want you to take a look at your puddles. See if you're forming them early. See if you pushed them right off the end. Both of them look pretty good to me. Talking about forming the puddles. The mom's doing a nice job there. You kind of see that.
Yep.
You want to see a little water over the top and a nice push right at the end of the finish. She's doing fine.
Right.
Let's go see what Carol looks like. Carol, make sure you get that at full reach. It doesn't come forward. Take a look at it at the front. You see it come forward there? Put it right in. That's better. Form that puddle. Push it off. Water. Push the water right off the end of the oar. Keep it buried a little bit longer. Don't let it wash out. Yeah. Go ahead. No back, Carol, no back. Lean back, lean back, lean back. Carol, lean back more. Carol, lean back more. That's it. Right there's where your finish needs to be. But you need to be connected. Give yourself some room to tap down. That's what you're working on. Where it goes to tap down. If you can't finish it together, then adjust your foot stretches. All right, now let's add the back. Drop it in. Drop it in before you swing that back. Make sure it's in before you swing that back. Let's go to half slide and add the feather. Shoulders over, Carol. Shoulders over, right with Jen. Shoulders over. That's it. Now let's add stirrup pair. Still in half slide. And get them together, get them together, get them together. Balance it. Yeah, don't. First part of that isn't the arms. Push the legs first. Give it an extra boost right at the finish. Finish it together. Kathy B, hang on to that finish. Carol, hang on to the finish. If you're washing out, it's going to drop the port. Got to keep that connection. Pull it down to your side. Pull it down to your side.